from Holchad Public School, Rewari.
Nowadays, science has changed a man's lifestyle.
Science has proved to be a great blessing in the fields of medicines and surgery.
So today, we are going to share information about the topic of science, which is atom.
Yes, we are going to share information about its size, shape, and position of its subatomic parts.
So let's start. Hi Madhav, what are you doing? It's looking you are thinking something.
I am observing the objects present in this room, like this table.
What is so special to observe in this?
I am thinking what all these things are made up of.
It's normal. Everything that has mass, volume, and occupies space is counted as a matter.
Is everything counted among matter?
Yes, everything except feelings and emotions like love, hate, and anger.
Tell me something more about matter.
Matter is divided on the basis of physical and chemical properties.
Means?
Means, on the basis of physical properties, matter is divided into solid, liquid, and gases. And on the basis of chemical properties, matter is divided into element, compound, and mixture.
Are all the elements natural occurring or man-made?
No, some elements are naturally occurring while some are man-made. Out of 118 elements, 94 are naturally occurring like hydrogen, helium and lithium, and rest are man-made like plutonium. Elements usually combine to form compound and mixture. When elements are combined chemically, they form compounds like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, and sodium chloride. And when elements are combined physically, they form mixtures.
Now tell me, is matter the smallest thing from which any object is made?
No, matter is made up of smallest unit called atom.
Yes, now I remember that I studied about the atom in my book, that atoms are the building blocks of a matter.
Yes, just like our body is made up of cells, any matter is made up of atom. But I wonder, do all matters have same type of atom?
No, different kinds of matter around us is made up of different kinds of atom. Let me tell you one more example. When we break a chalk, there is a stage where we cannot further break it. That unbreakable stage is an atom.
That means are atoms visible to us?
No, atoms are not visible with naked eyes. We need a highly magnified microscope to observe them. They are so small that even the width of a single paper is made with millions of atoms.
Yes, I have also heard that the width of a single paper is made with millions of atoms.
Yes, it means so small.
Do you know which is the smallest atom?
Hydrogen atom. The radius of hydrogen atom is 0.037 nanometer. But what is the shape of an atom?
I heard my teacher saying that atom is mostly spherical in shape. Most of the atoms, not all. Atoms usually combine to form an element.
In fact, atoms have three subatomic particles: the electron, the proton, and the neutron. But how can we define these parts?
Electrons are negatively charged particles. It was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Its mass is negligible. It is represented by small letter e. Protons are positively charged particles. It was discovered by E. Goldstein. Its symbol is small letter p. Neutrons does not have any charge. It's neutral. It was discovered by James Chadwick. Its symbol is small letter m. But I have a question. Do all these particles have specific places in an atom or they can be present anywhere?
No. These subatomic particles have specific position in an atom. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus of the atom, while electrons revolve around the nucleus in some specific orbits.
Do atoms carry any charge?
No, atoms do not have any charge on them.
But why? It has negative and positive charged particles.
Yes, it has, but the magnitude of positive and negative charge in an atom is equal. So they cancel the effect of each other and an atom is electrically neutral.
Okay, that means atoms does not have any charge on them. It's good. We got to know a lot about atoms today.
Yes, it was really informative.